We have about 106 people coming from Westbrook, Maine. The Southern Maine Supernova, they're bringing 2 teams, the Supernova Futures and Selects. Each team is going to play 5 games against an assortment of local teams. So we've selected a schedule between the White Sharks, Stars, Aruba Baseball Academy, Flatstone, and Blue Marlins, and each of those teams will get to play 2 games against the Supernova organization. Games will take place between Joe Laveist Ballpark and Winston and Santa Cruz, and all the games are open to the public, so we encourage everyone to come and watch the international competition here in Aruba. The team will be here from August 1st to August 8th. They will play games at the beginning of the week and midweek, and then at the end of the week they'll have some free time to be able to enjoy the island. For most of these guys, it's their first time here, besides a few. So the trip is it's a combination of baseball, but also a combination of exploring Aruba and getting to know the island. So there's a lot of good players coming down on this trip. There's one team is a little bit older by a year, and then the other team is younger by a year. But a lot of these guys are, future college athletes or current college freshmen who will be pursuing baseball and academics. And some of the guys are actually teammates of some of the guys we have signed here, Keith Hooker and Jahouts in St. Germain. They'll be playing against some of their teammates that they'll be going to school with in the fall and the spring. So it's going to be a good experience for the guys to get to play against some college competition or future college athletes.
We're down here for a week. We're here through next Monday, and we are working with Brodie at the 297 Baseball Academy. We've got 2 teams. We've got 5 games each team. We're also doing some community service work as well over at the village basketball courts. We're going out on the Jolly Pirates ship for a little cruise, and really just for us it's all about family, like quality time. So we're here to have a little vacation and sprinkle some baseball in too. So we're pretty fortunate. We're playing games at the 2 stadiums. We're playing over at Joe Laveist and at Nadi Croes, and we'd love people to come out and check it out. We're here to hopefully compete and have some fun, and we'd love to see a bunch of people come out and cheer on both teams. It should be a lot of fun to kind of see what that competition is, and we're coming from Maine, so we're 2,500 miles away. So it should be a fun time.
We have a project set up. We're going to be refurbishing the village basketball court. We're going to start off and doing it in phases. So with the team down here, we're going to move forward. We're going to clean it up. We're going to replace some of the nets and painting, and then we'll go on to the next step of finishing it up to make it playable for competitions day and night. You can search it on our Facebook, 297 Baseball Academy. It was published today in the newspapers for the scheduling as well, and which is also on our website, www.297baseballacademy.com. All the games are public, so everyone can come. It is 5 florins admission for adults, and kids are free. So we're encouraging people to come out, watch the games. We'll have the concession stands and bars open for every game. So we'll have everything there at once. So it should be a great experience for the guys.